guys, I'm Jhon Kenneth Cordova, and I'm here to all of you to show you a video presentation how to install Active Directory on Windows Server 2008 R2. The first step is to assign an IP to the server that you're going to deploy the AD. It's necessary to install it as DNS Server 2, so it's better to have fixed IP. It doesn't mean you cannot install add without fixed IP address, but it will solve a lot of issues if you use fixed IP. In here, the server IP is 10.0.0.14. Since we are going to make it as DNS Server 2, you should use the same IP as the preferred DNS server. Click on Start menu and select the Server Manager. Select the rules from the right-hand panel and click on Add Rules option. From the rules list, select the Active Directory Domain Services rule and click Next. Review the confirmation and click on Next. Review the installation confirmation and click again Next. It will take few minutes to complete, and when it's done, you will get this confirmation and then click on Close. After that, you will need to do a reboot. After reboot, please open up the Server Manager again and then click on Rules. There you will see the Active Directory Domain Services successfully installed in there. Click on it, then you will get a window like below. In there, please pay attention to the message. So please click on that link and it will start the zip promo wizard. So next step, to go through the DC promo wizard, to start the installation, click on Next. And then Next again. Since we're going to install new domain controller in new forest, please select the option Create a new domain in new forest option and click on Next. Now we have to provide the name for our domain controller. It must be fqdn. In our case, I use rebeladmin.com as the domain, then click Next after it. In this window, it will ask to select forest function level. If you're going to use full features of 2008 AD, you must select the forest function level as Server 2008. In my case, I use Server 2008 and click on Next after the select. In next window, since it's the first DC, we should make it as DNS Server 2. Leave the default selection and click on Next. If the wizard cannot create a delegation for the DNS server, it displays a message to indicate that you can create the delegation manually. To continue, click Yes. In next window, it will show up the database location. It is going to be bigger, and it's good if you can keep NTDS database in different partition. Click Next after changes. In next window, it's asking to define a restore mode password. It's more important if you have to do a restore from backup in a server crash. Click Next after filling it. Next window is giving you a brief of installation. Then click Next. Then it will start the installation of the AD. It will take some time to complete. After complete of the installation, perform a server reboot. After the reboot, now you can log into the domain. Please use the login as following example. Now it's done and you can view the Active Directory option on Administrative Tools menu. And that's all. Thank you for watching.